Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a hunting sniper modded version on your phone. No jailbreak or computer needed, guys. This actually works. It's super insane. So if you like to play hunting sniper, guys, then you're going to want this modded version. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, guys. So it actually works. It's super cool. And yeah, it's a time to try it out because it is working right now. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it right now, guys. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you unlimited resources in hunting sniper. So this will not require a jailbreak, guys. So what you want to do is get on your browser and we're literally just going to go over to Google, okay? And now we're going to go to the search bar and we're just going to go ahead and type in zoo mods. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type in like hunter or something. And as you can see, guys, it says, oh, I guess not hunter. Let's just do hunt. Hunting sniper mod. So you just press on this, guys, and there you go. So anyways, I want to show you this payment structure they have on here, which is ridiculous. So if we come over to the App Store and type in hunting sniper, we just do that. As you guys can see right here, the game is terrible. We have a whole thing down here with in-app purchases and they are wild, and guys, so do not spend any money on this. Just download the mod I was showing you guys earlier and you're going to be all good to go, guys. It's easy. You just have to go to the search bar and then type in zoo mods and then come over to this website, and then once we're there, go to the search bar, and then all you have to do, guys, is just go ahead and type in like hunt. And as you can see, it says hunting sniper, and then you can download this mod. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out because it actually works. It's super awesome. And I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Just get the word out about this method. It actually is updated, guys. It's super cool. So yeah, I don't know who has a problem with this. It works fine for me. And I got really rich from this, which is super cool. So, yeah, if you feel bad about using a hack, guys, just remind yourself in the App Store that you don't want to be paying all that money, do you? So, yeah, it's super cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.